Hello, this is Maya Andreasen again, and today I'm going to tell you guys where you can find the tutorials that you'll be using for your learning in the class. So the first place that you can go to find tutorials is my YouTube page, and you will find the link below in eCampus. So the link will be there in eCampus, or you could just search for my name, Maya Andreasen. There's a number of different playlists. So there's Maya 1, rigging, UV unwrapping, all sorts of playlists where you can find different videos. The other place that you'll be going to get content for the class is LinkedIn Learning. So you'll go to linkedinlearning.tamu.edu. And what's great about LinkedIn Learning is you can actually sign in via your already created LinkedIn username and password. So you go to login now, or you can create a new one. So I'm just going to type in my personal one. So it's my Gmail account and then my password. And when you sign in, you have access to all of LinkedIn Learning's videos. So Maya 2018 Essential Training, you find it right here. You can do a search. And there we go. And it'll take you right there, and you can save it. You can add it to your collection. You can share it, or you just click on it and get started. Really quickly, you'll find in eCampus that I have pinpointed the different sections that I want you to watch. So it might say I want you to watch Maya 1, sections 1 through 3. So that goes over the Maya interface, selecting and manipulating objects, and organizing Maya scenes, right? And it tells you each different subcategory that you will have in the different chapter. All right, that's it for where to find tutorials for the class.